I perched upon a cedar tree outside Jerusalem. The crowd was loud, the sky was tense, my wings too weak to run. I saw a man with thorn-crowned brow, his back so torn and raw. They raised him high and I just cried, I'm the bird that saw it all. The hammer rang like thunder, the earth began to shake. The sun hid behind the clouds like it too felt the ache. Darkness swept the hillside, silence gripped the thrall, and not one bird dared sing a note. I saw it all while my tears fell. But oh, that Sunday morning, when the stone was rolled away, I found my voice in glory's light, and I began to praise. He rose just like he promised, and I heard the angels call. So I lifted up my wings and sang, I'm the bird that saw it all. I watched his mother weeping, the soldier drop his spear. I felt the world go silent, the weight of every tear. But when that tomb burst open, when light broke through the wall, I sang the first hallelujah, I'm the bird that saw it all. I saw the cross, but now I see the crown. I heard him cry, and now his voice commands the sound. I saw the grave, but now I've seen him rise. I saw him die, but now I testify. Oh, that Sunday morning, when the Lamb defeated sin, I found my song in heaven's breeze, and I sang it loud again. He rose just like he promised, now I answer to his call. With every note I praise the King, I'm the bird that saw it all. So if you hear a sparrow singing when your hope begins to fall, just remember Calvary's witness, the bird that saw it all.